Pride and hard work. That's the Joe Bowman way. We're proud to offer over $8,500 off the hardworking Silverado. Plus, we'll include a 2-year maintenance package. That's right, over $8,500 off and a 2-year maintenance plan. Plus, with more Silverados than any other dealer, you'll always find the perfect truck for you. And with the Max Advantage, you'll always get the most money for your vehicle, even if you don't buy from us.
Over $8,500 off a Chevy Silverado, plus a 2-year maintenance plan, because that's the Joe Bowman way.